In this video, I will install Windows Subsystem for Linux. The first step is to enable Virtual Machine Platform and Hypervisor. To do this, we can just type in Features into the taskbar, then click on this window. And then we need to just ensure that these two are checked, and then click OK. If you attempt to open that window and you get stuck on a please wait screen here, one way you can try to fix that is by, after you ensure that you're up to date on your latest version of Windows, you can try to roll back to a later version and then re-update, and that might fix that particular issue. Okay, now we will want to go to PowerShell and simply type in WSL -- install. Okay, then you can just click enter here, pick a password, and you have successfully installed WSL.